In a mystical forest, a tiny explorer ventured forth, eager for adventure. Bravely marching through the foliage, the diminutive hero pressed on. Alongside Alex, a delicate voyager soared gracefully, searching for wonders. A plaintive cry echoed through the trees, beckoning for aid in the wilderness. Beware the ancient guardian, its tranquil repose masking a fiery temper. With grace and valor, the ethereal savior danced a dangerous ballet to protect her companions. Trapped in a glistening trap, the winged heroine struggled against her silken prison. Rallying to the call of duty, a legion of tiny warriors assembled for a daring rescue. With unwavering unity, the miniature rescuers toiled ceaselessly, their collective resolve unbreakable. In the gentle embrace of twilight, two valiant souls stood together, their friendship forged in the crucible of adventure.